A magnificent view. I will guide you to Matsushima, place you may not know. I is a place called Umanose and Kouma. The road is quite narrow, so be careful not to fall into the sea. I will show you the direction. From Rikuzen-Hamada Station on the Sendai line, you can take a leisurely walk along the path. Rikuzen-Hamada Station is one station before Matsushima-Kaigan Station from Sendai. From Matsushima-Kaigan Station, this is next station on the train bound for Sendai. This is the route from Hamada Station. This is an unmanned station. Suica is convenient. If you have ticket, put it in the box. There is a sign on the Umanose. The road in front of you is National Route 45, and there is a lot of traffic. Please be careful of large trucks. Let's cross the traffic light. There is a sign for Toritsuan restaurant. It is open only for lunch, but it is a popular shop. It is located on the way to Umanose. Continue along this road. It takes about 20 minutes at a leisurely pace. There are hardly any cars. On the way to Ritsuan, you can enjoy your meal while looking out at Matsushima Bay. Umanose parking lot. The entrance came into view. It is just a short distance from the parking lot. If you follow the road, you can walk to Matsushima-Kaigan in 30 minutes. Part of the road passes through the R45. Head to Umanose. It's about a 10 minutes walk. There are stairs and a slope downhill. Please be careful where you step. The entrance stairs are well maintained. The road from here onwards is not well maintained and may be slippery on rainy days. Turn right at this sign. The road is really narrow and the ground is rough. Umanose came into view. This is Umanose. Let's go to the tip. The road is narrow and there is sea on both sides, so please be careful. That's Kouma you can see over there. I will show you around later. The tip is cracked and has become a small island. I could go. Next, let's take a look at Kouma. This is 5x faster. Start is from here, just same as Umanose. The path continues to be quite rough. It's on the left. There are no signs. Be careful not to go straight. ズマです。こちらも仙台まで行きました。ズマから见たまのべ全景です。